Good morning. So we've unloaded the paneling and now we are gonna start hanging it. Yeah. Ooh, look at there. Got one sheet up. Now we got a lot more sheet to do. Well, look where I'm at. I'm in the hospital. I'm in the emergency room. Had a little accident. But all that paneling fell on my leg. And so they are gonna do an x-ray, make sure it didn't do any damage to the bone, which I don't think it did. But it kind of pulled my skin away from the bone, so I think I'm gonna be laid up for a few days. Project on hold. But we did get the 2 done that we needed to do for the split air.
Like that freaking matters right now. It don't matter.
Well, that part's done, so I can rest from here on out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna close my eyes now.
Okay. So you're on IV with pain medicine and they're tracking your blood pressure. How you feeling?
Worn out. I have pink IV thingies. Do the guys have blue?
I bet they do. So even the nurse just said, there's a reason people hire people to do this kind of work. Yeah, well, our construction days are over. Easy. You got what, son? Be careful, you're gonna drool. Easy. Good girl. Good boy. That was good, babies.
What you got?
I have sushis.
Sushi!
And prescription.
Yeah, that's what I need.
Yeah, I gotta get that in you.
What did she bring me?
What about you?
Oh, pizza and flowers. Oh, that's sweet. Thank you. And more pizza? And Band-Aids?
That's that gauze that they used at the hospital.
Yeah.
And your cherry limeade.
And cherry limeade. Yum. Man, you did a haul.